doing it. It's on. It's on.
Come on, Rob.
Get it, Rob.
Yeah, Rob.
Let's go.
Like, cut your ass.
Cut it out.
Your mother got a zip up bra, you bum ass nigga.
This guy's turns and channels in my
That's no harmony ass nigga. Fuck you.
I like them shit.
I like them shit.
This
They
shit
look like dress shoes, my nigga.
Shit's fainting. Just turning brown.
That's your ball and feline.
This shit's turning
My nigga.
brown.
Shit like dress shoes, my nigga. Look at me. Think I got dress shoes, my nigga. Look at me. I'm a skateboard, my nigga. Look at that.
Your shoes just turning brown.
Oh, got you now. Oh, man. I want to stop it. You're fucking.
Michael Jackson doing it.
It's over. You should do that. You bum ass nigga. You take it back. You bum ass nigga. We're going to I look like Tiger Woods.
Alright, guys. Who wanna hold that?
You big freeway bearded ass nigga.
It's not his movie though. Nigga don't got no hair on his nuts. Gets no ass. Nigga beat his shit every day. Watching Golden Girls. Every day. Every day. His little brother walking on him. He's like, Mom, what you doing? Like,
Alright, go ahead, sir.
I'm gonna cut somebody ass. I don't know.
Cut somebody ass.
We ready? We ready?
Alright, I'm home.
I'm sorry.
Clifford the big red dog ass nigga. You big reverse blues clues ass nigga. Your mother, she got her hair going from her head to her ass, you bum ass. That was whack. Boom, put it down there. Your mother got a Commerce song. Get it. Your mother rock a Gore-Tex bra, you bum ass nigga. Yeah. Wake up playing, you bum ass nigga. Mother wearing with a lightsaber. Go. It was a fucking blow pop, you bum ass nigga. You wear the same pants every day, they just different colors on both sides. What are you talking about? Your mother rock Velcro panties, you bum ass nigga. Look at me. Your mother got no feet. She never lost her power and they call her undefeated. You got a duck song. You is duck song.
Delicate ears. Oh, my bad. I'm sorry. Ugly as fuck.
That nigga.
Ugly as fuck.
That nigga.
That.
Yeah, Young All Stars. You already know. 2 Live.
Keep looking at them, guys.
FFC.
Bum ass niggas. Bum ass niggas. Just smooth me. Bum ass niggas. Like to my mother.
Boogie all day. Tokyo. You ass. Boogie. See me,
He
nigga.
getting shot, nigga. He getting shot.
Tokyo suck. Tokyo. Bum ass nigga. See me in bad one, nigga. So smooth. Show me in bad one. With me, Fly Boogie. See me in the bad one, my nigga. Maybe not. Fly Boogie. See me in the shoulders. Yeah, shout out to Mel. Go to the Luna. Baby G. Nas. All y'all niggas, stay up. With me, team highlight up. Skylight. Y'all love me. Y'all girls. Love y'all back. Me too. What up? Even though y'all just a spoof, forget y'all. I'm like Jesus. I'm hungry.
Alright, we gonna cut it.
Yo, bomb is that?
Yeah, I ain't
Bungie.
Hey,
Bungie. He's talking about, get out here.
I try to get here every day in my school. Wait, come to my school. Go to your school. Go to your school, man. Shut up. What you talking about? You want to come to my school and wake up. You chill on the ground.
But you know, young off stuff, everything. We need to highlight up. We need to see young niggas. See fighters. Fighters up there. Employers only. Get that. I'm an employer. I'm going there.
Wanna get a sub? Yeah, make that sub. Make that sub, nigga. What you talking about? Yeah, nigga.
What's the deal?
Look at this nigga. Dirty ass hat got asbestos on it.
Shout out to everybody up in here. I mean, in the camera, say hi to the camera. The one time for everybody up there. Shout out to everybody up in here. We love y'all. You know what I mean? We love y'all Subway people too. I love Subway.
But I want to get one for you.
Y'all not the one who spit in my Subway.
Yeah, what did I found the thumb in my Subway before, okay?
At Drex.
Nah, Drex the shit.
No, Drex, no.
Look where we at. Let me know the Drex nigga.
Right there.
Drex is nice. Get out of
Ass that way. Ass that way.
But when you
So there, nigga.
Silver eye. Sorry.
Whatever. You know you like that foot long.
I like that foot long. SOD.
You're SOD.
Your mother SOD.
Alright, MD.
SMD, nigga.
Alright, you don't even know what that means.
Suck my balls.
Alright, guess what? You don't have none, because you're neutered when you're 3 years old. Now what you talking about? He's the only black kid who's ever on a leash.
Wow. You bum ass nigga. You mad dirty. Bum ass nigga, you woofing over here. Look at that. Alright. In the head looking at
I'm woofing, but his mom woofing for real. Got you off guard there, didn't I?
Let's look at this nigga. Old Terry Crews looking ass nigga. All white chicks and
You said Terry Crews, man. You really had your head with Terry Crews.
Why your mama got conic in her teeth?
Alright, you like Riley, you like Huey. I'm going in on y'all. Boondocks.
Oh,
Bitch.
Gucci.
I'm about to say something about somebody in here, but I ain't gonna say it. Alright, cut it. Put the peace sign up. I'm about to cut this. We out. We out.
Y'all got thumbs up. You know what I mean? Team highlight up. You know what I mean? Bump all y'all other niggas.
That way, all dude.
We nice.
I don't want to get my first way, nigga.
We get
all day, my nigga.
You feel me? Mel, I see you, baby.
Beat that up. Beat that.
He coming for you.
Coming for your ass. What up?
Right now, he's coming for you, Mel.
Shoulders.
Wait, you coming for Mel?
Shoulders. Shoulders.
Oh.
Shoulders.
You coming for Mel, though? You really coming for Mel?
Nah, I ain't coming for
You ain't coming for Mel.
Ain't ready.
What?
What's up, Mel? Lunati. We gonna get our tape together. I mean, Lunati, too. The reason why he not coming for you is because he's scared.
I was scared, too, when I battled you. But guess what? I still battled you. I lost. You won't beat me again, though.
We gonna see. We gonna see when we get our tape
Nah, I
together.
respect you. Well, what you gonna
We gonna see when we get all that tape together.
We gonna see, though.
We gonna see.
Miles gonna win.
Oh,
If Miles gonna win.
My shoulders on point, got that one on point, got a walk on point.
Three.
Round 3, coming for your head. You ready?
Cold water.
Are you ready? Cold water? Cold water? Cold water? Alright, let me holler that up. Alright, we got it.